Welcome back to my channel. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, like, and share. So, once again, I'm Ezekiel, the founder of Pradesh Tech International. Today, I'll be taking us on the topic on the computer engineering, which is identification of computer hardware. So, what are computer hardware? Computer hardware are the components of a computer that can be seen, touched, and replaced or upgraded and downgraded. So this computer hardware, they are the part of the computer that we can see, we can touch them, we can replace them, and they are in numbers. And the one I will be talking about first, don't forget the purpose of this tutorial is just for you to be able to identify them, see them, know them, and know how they operate. If you want to know more about each component, you may have to go to their specific tutorial. But let me show you all of them here. Number one is a storage device. I'll first look at the storage device. So the storage device of a computer system are used to store information, and most of them are non-volatile. Now, example is the hard drive. This hard drive. This is an hard drive. Can you see this now? This is an hard drive. This is a kind of hard drive. Now, also we have another type of hard drive. This is also an hard drive. Hard drive. Can you see this now? This also an hard drive. Also, we have what we call SSD. This is an SSD. This is SATA SSD. This is SATA hard drive. And this is IDE hard drive. Can you see now? IDE, SATA hard drive, SATA SSD. So we have another type of SSD that look like a card. So this is another SSD. So if this is something like this, all of these are called SSD. They are used to store information and operating system and different kind of thing in the computer system. So another one that I want to show you is the random access memory. RAM. You must have been hearing the word RAM before. But before then, on hard drive, we have hard drive for laptop and desktop. The one that I just showed you now is for laptop. We have the one for desktop to bigger. It's the same thing, but just like it's bigger in size. And also we have the SSD also for desktop also. Do you understand that now? Okay. So we have the one we have from 2 gig. We have the from about 80 gig of hard drive till about 1 terabyte of hard drive, and the same thing we have about 250 gig 256 of SSD till about 2 terabytes of SSD. 2 terabytes of SSD. Okay, that is that. So let me quickly show you what we call random access memory. So this is random access memory, RAM. So this one I'm holding, we have them of different types, about 4 types. We have PC1, we have PC2, we have PC3, we have PC4. Now this one I'm holding now is PC2. Can you see now? Observe the space of this. This is where the space, this line is. Now this is PC3. And so we also have PC4. I don't have PC4 yet, so I have them in numbers in this place. Can you all see that now? I have them in numbers. All of this one are for laptop actually. You understand now? So laptop play a very crucial role in system. For you to know more about the functionalities, you may have to check my video on random access memory. Now, so another thing I want to show you is the processor. So it is necessary for processing every form of information in your computer. So we have processor look like something like this. You must have been seeing this picture everywhere. It looks like something like this, and it's of different generation. Can you see this now? And it's of different generation. So it is responsible for processing everything that the computer does, how the computer on many things. So I'm going to there's this my video on processor, random access memory, which is RAM, and also storage device. You may have to go there to learn more. So the purpose of this tutorial is for you to be able to identify different kind of a computer hardware. Another thing that we also want to tell you is speaker. All system have speaker. This is an example of a system speaker, laptop or desktop. This is an example of a speaker. This is how a speaker look like. Now you'll be wondering, why am I showing you all this one? You will always see the similarities in every other system. So you will see this thing now. Already you know. So when you see something like this in another system, you will know it is also a speaker. So this is how it is. Now also we have what we call hard drive connector. This is hard drive connector. Now if you observe the mouth of the hard drive I showed you before, you see it look like this. So it look like something like this. This one will go to the board, this one is coming to the hard drive. You understand now? So that is these are hard drive connector. Also we have what we call wireless card. So this is wireless card. This one here is wireless card. It's responsible for the Wi-Fi and everything. If you want to connect, you want to hotspot and everything. So this is what is responsible for wireless card. It can be changed if it gets spoiled. We have the external and we have the internal also. Additionally, I also want to show you some other part of computer that you may not have known before, like something like signal, what we call signal cable. This is a signal cable. You always see the even in every other system you always see it. Signal cable, we have some usually look like this, a cable. As I said, it's a cable. Now it has this thing that will go to the main board. This one will go to the main board. Let me show you another type of signal cable. Another one. This is also another one. It will go to the main board, but it has a connector here, the connector that go to the screen. So this is it. We have all this one has is normal interface or big interface. So we have them of different interface. So signal cable, when you see something like this, it's not just a wire, it's called a cable. So this is called signal cable. So when you on your system, it displays something. This is what is responsible for displaying. But there are many others that contribute to display. But this one is able to transmit whatever the screen is saying after the memory, the processor, everything, all of them is working perfectly. So it's now displayed their information on the screen. This is it. So some system use module. Some system uses module. So this is an example of a module. But the system that uses module. So this is a module. It's also to help to light up the screen of a system, but it's usually found in the old set of system. Okay now. So that is that. Okay. There are many other parts of system too. So with me, I have a complete system now. So can you see it now? So I have used it already. This is carcass back over. Can you see it now? So on this particular one, I have the fan. This is called fan of the system. I hold it now. So most of you that you don't know what they call fan, you know, see how it look like. I've just used for the sake of this tutorial. I have to use this particular system. This is it. Now, also this is called heat sink. This thing from here to this place. This thing that look like it's covered is like I don't know. It's usually good copper in color. Usually copper in color. You open it. So this is called heat sink. What do I call it? Heat sink. So now this is a processor. It is a protecting processor here. The processor I showed you before. Now any heat that generated by this processor, this heating absorb it, and then the fan will help to blow it out. This is it. So we have the CMOS. This is CMOS battery here. CMOS battery also help in time and date and everything, different kind of thing. So this is DIMMS or memory socket or RAM socket. So DIMMS means dual inline memory socket, memory module. So it is a place designated on the motherboard for memory to stay. It's like memory space. That RAM, this is where it usually stay. You understand? So the entire component of this thing like this, everything like this is called the motherboard. The motherboard. So you can see there are different kind of ICs on this motherboard, of which I'll be doing tutorial on this one also. So you'll be able to identify different kind of motherboard. See the signal cable that I just showed you now. Do you see it now? This is a signal cable of this system. So this is one that will go to the main board. The other one will go to the screen. It's usually you have two faces now. So that is that on this. And here, this place here, it's called the mouse pad. You can remove it too in case your own is having fault. You buy another one, and it is that is how it is now. So let me show you this. This is called CMOS battery. CMOS battery. CMOS battery. So it looks like something like this. So this is it. So this is how CMOS battery look like. It's a function for different kind of things, of which I'll be going to very well later. Now, also we have the screen of the system. This is a screen. This is a system screen. You understand now? It has this thing where the signal cable that I showed you previously will come and stay. After one will go to the board, like I show you here. If one come to this place for the signal cable, this is the board. If this signal cable attached to this place, one will attach to the screen here. In this place for the screen to display. You understand now? So that is that on the identification of computer system. So if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, like and share. Also, I want to advise you, in case you have anybody who's also interested in computer engineering, to start from somewhere. No knowledge is wasted. Please and please share my YouTube link with them, and let them also be part of this wonderful journey. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.